the rules.
Okay.
Alright, got the Sig T-Clips here, flying out on a 4S 2200. And this plane has some really wonky ground handling. You got to really ease into the throttle. And even then it's... Wow. Take my AMA membership away. Did I tell you that had wonky ground handling? Yeah, I know it, right? What the heck was that? That was about a most wonky takeoff I've ever seen. And that's what gets me though. This plane flies so well. Why is it no bueno on the ground handling? Let me get low rate on the rudder. Taxi back slowly. After seeing what happened, I don't want it taking off from front of me. I want it taking off past me here, just in case it has a mishap again. It has such a tremendous torque roll. Man, you got to put in like 80% rudder. Coming up. I apologize for that takeoff earlier. This thing just will not handle on the ground. I don't understand it.
Yeah, this is the first flight on this one. I don't know.
Okay, let me come in over here.
Okay. Well, it really zoomed out, didn't it?
Well, this thing, I tell you, it's got the worst ground handling of any plane I've ever seen, but it flies just beautifully once you're up there. I have no idea what's going on with the ground handling on it. All right. Very nice.